By name, I'm called Mungumio Jackson. From Arua. Last time I also attended Affirmative Art. It was last year. It was amazing. I shared about my dream, what I want to become on my dream, what I want to be in the future. But this time, this is the second one I'm attending. I try to explain to my members, to the Affirmative Art members, that my dream has really changed, because my dream was supposed to be an agriculture officer. So due to school and tuition, things are hard. So as per now, I'm looking to becoming a photographer, doing photography and videography, because I've seen people who are ever doing it and they have really motivated me so much. And what I've learned from this campus, what I learned from last time interview, it was amazing. Trying to know whom I could be in future. By grace of God, I also have to tell my friends today, like, it have changed. I want to be a photographer, as I said earlier on. So with this, it have strengthened me so much, knowing my goals, how I want to be in future. I love Affirmative Art because they're trying to sharpen me, how I can know my future better, how I can keep on realizing each and every day how my future will be. So with this campus diagram we have old heads. I used to have time with friends doing unproductive work, going for night discos, doing gambling, playing cards. But right now, my new habits are, I love eating, I love photography, that's what I want to be in me, spending time with friends, watching football, doing God's ministry. We went ahead doing our rewards. With everything, I'm trying to put effort. As if by God's grace I excel in life in future, I would love to help my parents, buy myself a car, that's a Lamborghini, that's my dream car, and pay my tuition. And we went up to the extent of talking about action steps. Action steps, I was able to have this impression, like I want to work harder, would love to be a volunteer in case an organization comes around, respecting my boss, where I'll be working in future, and working harder to see my dream come true. Yeah, I love Affirmative Art, I love it. And here is some of the diagram I have. I have my new version of Affirmative Art. I love it. This other place is trying to show like I'm stretching, which means they're trying to sharpen my future, my career. I love Affirmative Art. Thank you.